Hello guys, welcome back to Delta by TV, where we learn, create and improve things. So today I'm going to code using ChatGPT. It will be helping me to create a snap or a screenshot extension, that is a Chrome extension that will be taking a snap and saving the image in our download folders. So without wasting much time, so let's get started here. So I've already done some research here, so I'm already signed up to ChatGPT. So I did ask it to, let me enlarge this so as we can see. Yeah, I don't know, is this enough? Let me reduce it a little bit. So that's enough. So I did ask the ChatGPT create for me a Chrome extension to snap and save in the download folder, and this is what it did. So to create a Chrome extension that allows users to snap and save screenshot in the download folder, you can follow the steps below. So first of all, it tells us to create a new folder on your computer for the extension. Let me open it. I've already created a folder, GBT even snap. That's my folder where I'll be coding. So let's see what next. How can we do it? Let me just first minimize it. Okay, inside the folder, create a new file named manifest.json file. In this case, this file will contain information about the extension, including its name, version and permission. So let's get back here. Go here, text document. We're going to rename it to manifest.json file. Okay, we rename it. Then we are going to open it with our editor editor. Yeah. So let me enlarge a little bit. Let me minimize. So this is a code, the code. I'll just first copy it and then we go through it, paste, and we are going to save it. So what this JSON file does, it contains all the information of our snap screenshot saver, that is. So our screenshot name, extension name, we're going to name it GBT snap. Yes, it is version 1. Yeah, that one remain. Manifest version 2. Can I enlarge description? A Chrome extension to snap and save screenshot. That will be extension of our description of our extension. So we have icons here, 16. Yeah, as you can see here, I've already downloaded some icon here as instructed here. Then permission, it should snap the active tab, and it should have also permission to save it into the download folder here. And another thing here, browser action, default icon, as you can see, it is this one, which will be displayed. Let me show you, like this extension here, the icon, it is this one we are being shown here, default icon, and default title will be take a screenshot, or we can change it, and or rather let it remain as it is. Then here background, we will have to have a JavaScript script running that will enable us to snap a screenshot image. Persistent should be false. If we turn this to be true, it will be take a screenshot continuously without stopping, and this I bet it can crash our machine, that is. So let's see what next. Already discussed that. As you can see, it is also giving us an explanation. This code set up a basic structure of the extension, including its name, version number, and description. It also specifies the permission the extension needs to function correctly, such as access to the active tab and the ability to download files. These permissions here to access the active tab and download files. Then create 3 files. This one already I have them in my folder. Create a new file named background.js in the same folder as we created the manifest JSON file. So we are going to create new item text document, and we are going to paste it. Yes, and then we are going to open it using our Sublime. Okay, sorry for that. Then this file will contain the code that captures the screenshot and save it to the download folder. In the background.js file, add the following code. Let's first copy it, paste it, and save it. So what this JavaScript script does, it listens when on the active tab our extension is clicked, as you can see, and then it captures visible tab or the open tab where the extension is active or being clicked from, and then it saves our image as a screenshot.png, and then download it image, which is from this function here, which is screenshot.png. As you can see, this extension here, it is being called here in reference to this. Then let's see, these codes add an event listener, as I told you earlier, from this here on the to the browser action button that captures the visible tab and save it as PNG file with the name screenshot.png in the download folder. Then after you're done with that option, you are supposed to zip the extension folder. Then open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome extension in the left tab menu there. We'll do that in a minute. Turn on developer mode in the top right corner. Click on load unpacked in the top left corner. Then select the zipped extension folder and click open. By this our extension will be installed. So let's do as we are being so we are going to select all the folder here. Click, I have already installed a WinRAR, but as well you can use the inbuilt one from Windows. I can as well use this one, and we're going to name it no, let me just use select all and use the WinRAR one. snap, zip. Yeah, as you can see, so we have everything ready. So what we are going to do, we are going to open another tab here and go to the left tab menu, drop down, and the extension part here. Then we are going to enable our developer mode here. Yes, and now we have the option to load our extension from this load and packed here. Open, and are going to select our folder and then select extension loaded, as you can see it here. But now if you are using Brave browser, you have to come to this extension option here, this more where extension are being enabled, and you can disable them. So I'm going to left click on my mouse, and this, if you can look very cleanly, you can see the enabled or activated extension have been pinned with a blue pin here, but this one which we have already just installed is a gray pin. So if we click here, it is added automatically. If for instance we click, it is being removed automatically. So we are going to click it, and then so what we have, if we click our extension here, it is going to snap and save a PNG file, a screenshot PNG file on our download folder. So let's do exactly as that. So we left click, and here is our screenshot, but we're going to save it in our folder, that is for easy access and file management. So click save it, and here we have our screenshot. So I see it, refresh. Where is our, did you not save? Oh, we have it here. And if we open it, yeah, we have our extension working here. So with that, guys, I will keep adding more features with guidance of ChatGPT, and I'll get back to you with another video with more added functions to it. If make sure to like this video and share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to Deltabyte for more of these and other videos. I'm out, guys. Cheers. Thank you.